Welcome, fitness enthusiasts. If you're here, you're ready for a change. This guide will help you achieve a bubble butt, flat belly and slim waist in just 2 weeks. Sounds impossible? It's not. With dedication and consistent effort, you can transform your body in a short time. You need to understand one thing. This journey requires commitment. Quick fixes don't work. You'll need to follow a strict regimen, combining targeted exercises, balanced nutrition, and healthy lifestyle changes. In this guide, I'll break down everything you need to know. From specific workouts to diet tips, you'll have all the tools. Plus, I'll share a motivational success story to keep you inspired. Ready to get started? Let's dive in. Expect to work hard. You'll sweat, you'll push your limits, but it will be worth it. Let's unlock your best body yet. A bubble butt is more than just a trend. It signifies strength and fitness. But what exactly is it? It's a round, firm and lifted posterior. Achieving this look requires dedication and the right exercises. Many believe that endless squats are the key. While squats are great, variety is essential. You need to target all muscles in your glutes. This means incorporating different movements and resistance training. Nutrition also plays a role. Eating the right foods can help build muscle. Protein, healthy fats and complex carbs are your friends. Don't forget hydration. Water helps muscle recovery and growth. Lastly, rest is crucial. Muscles grow when you rest, not just when you work out. Ensure you're getting enough sleep and recovery time. A well-rounded approach will help you achieve that bubble butt.
To get a bubble butt, focus on these key exercises. Consistency and proper form are crucial for the best results. First, the classic squat. Stand with feet shoulder-width apart. Lower your body as if sitting in a chair. Keep your back straight and knees behind your toes. Do 3 sets of 15 reps. Squats are excellent for targeting your glutes, quads, and hamstrings, making them a fundamental exercise for a well-rounded lower body workout. Next, try the glute bridge. Lie on your back with knees bent. Lift your hips towards the ceiling, squeezing your glutes. Hold for a second at the top, then lower. Perform 3 sets of 20 reps. This exercise is great for isolating the glute muscles and can help improve your overall hip stability. Don't forget lunges. Step forward with one leg, lowering your hips until both knees are at 90 degrees. Push back up to the starting position. Alternate legs and do 3 sets of 12 reps on each side. Lunges not only work your glutes but also engage your core and improve your balance. Lastly, add in donkey kicks. Get on all fours, then kick one leg back and up. Squeeze your glutes at the top. Return to start and repeat. Do 3 sets of 15 reps per leg. Donkey kicks are perfect for isolating the glutes and can be done anywhere, making them a versatile addition to your routine.
A flat belly is not only about looks, it's about core strength and overall health. To get a flat belly, you need a combination of exercise, diet, and lifestyle changes. Firstly, understand that spot reduction is a myth. You can't lose fat in one specific area by only working that area. Instead, focus on full-body workouts that burn calories and reduce overall body fat. Include cardio in your routine. Running, cycling, or even brisk walking can help burn belly fat. Aim for at least 30 minutes of cardio 5 days a week. Strength training is also crucial. Building muscle increases your metabolism. This means you'll burn more calories even at rest. Focus on exercises that target multiple muscle groups. Lastly, be mindful of your diet. Cut down on sugar and refined carbs. Opt for lean proteins, vegetables and whole grains. Drink plenty of water and avoid sugary drinks. Consistency is key.
Section 5. Workouts for a flat belly. In this section, we will guide you through some of the most effective exercises to help you achieve a toned and flat belly. To target your belly, include these exercises in your routine. Consistency is key, so make sure to perform these workouts regularly for the best results. Start with the plank. Get into a push-up position, but rest on your forearms. Hold your body in a straight line from head to heels. Aim to hold for 1 minute, gradually increasing the duration as you get stronger. This exercise is excellent for building core strength and stability. Next, try bicycle crunches. Lie on your back, hands behind your head. Bring one knee towards your chest while twisting your opposite elbow to meet it. Alternate sides in a pedaling motion. Do 3 sets of 20 reps. This exercise targets the obliques and helps in sculpting the sides of your abdomen. Russian twists are also effective. Sit on the floor, knees bent, and lean back slightly. Hold a weight or a ball and twist your torso from side to side. Aim for 3 sets of 15 reps on each side. This move engages your entire core, especially the obliques. Lastly, include leg raises. Lie on your back, legs straight. Lift your legs towards the ceiling, then slowly lower them without touching the ground. Perform 3 sets of 12 reps. This exercise is great for targeting the lower abdominal muscles. Remember to keep your movements controlled to maximize effectiveness and reduce the risk of injury.
Section 6. Slimming down the waist. A slim waist not only enhances the look of a flat belly and bubble butt, but also boosts your overall confidence and appearance. Achieving this requires a mix of cardio, strength training, and core exercises. Consistency is key to seeing results. Include high-intensity interval training or HIIT in your routine. This type of workout is highly effective. HIIT involves short bursts of intense exercise followed by rest. These intervals keep your heart rate up. This can burn a lot of calories in a short time, making it a time-efficient way to work out. Try 20 minutes of HIIT 3 times a week. This can significantly improve your fitness levels. Focus on exercises that cinch your waist. Side planks are excellent for targeting the oblique muscles. Lie on your side, supporting your body with your forearm. Ensure your body forms a straight line. Hold for 30 seconds, then switch sides. Do 3 sets. Add in oblique crunches to further engage your core. Lie on your back, knees bent. This position sets you up for effective crunches. Twist your torso to the side while bringing your knee towards your elbow. This movement targets your side muscles. Alternate sides, performing 3 sets of 15 reps. Remember, diet is also crucial for slimming down. Reduce bloating by limiting salt and processed foods. These can cause water retention. Eat plenty of fiber to keep your digestive system moving. Fiber-rich foods help in maintaining a healthy gut. Small, frequent meals can help control hunger and metabolism. This approach prevents overeating and keeps your energy levels stable throughout the day.
Section 7. Diet tips for a total body transformation. A good diet is half the battle. To transform your body, focus on balanced nutrition. Start your day with a healthy breakfast. Opt for protein and fiber like eggs and oatmeal. Eat multiple small meals throughout the day. This keeps your metabolism active. Include lean proteins, vegetables, and whole grains in each meal. Avoid processed foods and sugary snacks. Hydration is key. Drink at least 8 glasses of water daily. Water aids digestion and keeps your muscles hydrated. Avoid sugary drinks and excessive caffeine. Portion control is essential. Use smaller plates to help manage portion sizes. Listen to your body and eat until you're satisfied, not starved. Planning and prepping meals can also help you stay on track.
Section 8. Lifestyle changes. Sleep, stress, and activity. Lifestyle changes are just as important as diet and exercise. Start with sleep. Aim for 7 to 9 hours of quality sleep each night. Sleep helps your body recover and builds muscle. Manage stress. High stress can lead to weight gain and muscle loss. Practice relaxation techniques like deep breathing, meditation, or yoga. Find what works best for you and incorporate it into your daily routine. Stay active throughout the day. Don't just rely on your gym sessions. Take the stairs, walk or bike to work, and stand up frequently if you have a desk job. Little changes add up. Surround yourself with support, share your goals with friends, or join a fitness group. Having a support system can keep you motivated and accountable. Remember, it's not just about the destination, but the journey.
Section 9. Motivational Success Story. Meet Sarah, a dedicated reader who transformed her body in just 2 weeks. Sarah was determined to get a bubble butt, flat belly, and slim waist. She followed this guide religiously and saw amazing results. Sarah started with the recommended exercises, gradually increasing her intensity. She didn't skip a single workout, even on her busiest days. Her dedication paid off quickly. She also overhauled her diet. Sarah focused on balanced meals, stayed hydrated, and controlled her portions. She was amazed at how much better she felt with the right nutrition. The lifestyle changes were a game changer for Sarah. She prioritized sleep, managed her stress, and stayed active throughout the day. Her hard work and consistency led to a total body transformation. Sarah's story proves it's possible.
Section 10. Conclusion and call to action. Let's recap. To achieve a bubble butt, flat belly and slim waist in 2 weeks, you need dedication. Follow the specific exercises, maintain a balanced diet, and make healthy lifestyle changes. Consistency is key. Stick to the plan and don't give up. Remember, real results come from hard work over time. Stay motivated and keep pushing yourself. Now it's your turn. Share your fitness goals with us. Tell us about your journey and interact with our community. Together we can achieve greatness. Start today and transform your body and life.